Hello friends, today I will be showing you how to solve the enable editing option whenever you open the Excel file. The enable editing option can be seen. So I will open the Excel file and you can see this enable editing option. So we will try to solve this issue and just open the Excel file. I will type and search the Excel and open the Excel. Then go to the file tab, options, and press enter. Then go to the trust center settings, then go to the protected view and uncheck all of these and press OK and close the Excel and then reopen. I will reopen this file, and as you can see the problem has been solved and you will not be seeing enable editing option anymore.